How to delete Instagram messages on PC or on your laptop. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unsend or delete the current message that you have sent to any of your friends. So first is open up your browser and visit the Instagram.com's official website. And of course, once you're here, just simply log in into your account. Now at your left portion of your screen, you should be able to see these options. Just go into messages and then choose whatever message you would like friend that you will send a message to. Say, for example, we will be sending out a message like on this one. So if you would like to delete or unsend this message, just simply hover your mouse into the message and then click this three dots that will go into more. I click on unsend and then re-verify and clicking on unsend once again. And that's it. That's how you delete Instagram messages on PC or laptop.